Here I want to find out second maximum salary. This is very common interview question. Please think how you will do it. First, I don't have a function like second maximum, but I have maximum function. So I can write select max salary from the employee details. And let me run both the commands together. So you see I have got 50,000, which is the maximum salary. And suppose if I put this in a subquery, so let me put it in a subquery and I say where salary is less than the maximum salary, then what I will get all those employees who have salary less than 50,000. So if I execute this command, so I got all the employees who have got salary less than 50,000. Now this is my result set, and if I need to find out the maximum salary in this result set, so 40,000 will be the maximum salary. So obviously that will be second maximum because I have fetched all the data which is less than maximum salary. So obviously that will become second maximum. So what I do, I will put max salary here, and if I try to execute this command, so you see I got 40,000. But I also want to display the details of the employees. For example, I copy this and paste it here. So you see now if I execute both these commands, so you see I got second maximum salary, but I want to display the details of this person as well who has second maximum salary. So if I put star comma max salary, it will give me error. Why? Because star means all the columns, means employee name, name, date of birth, gender, city, but that is a detailed data, and max salary is the summary data. So I am combining detailed data with the summary data, that is not possible. So if I try to execute this particular command, so you see I will get the error. Sorry, let me execute it again. I got the error. So because it is containing an aggregate function which can only work with group by. So now what I will do, let me call this as second max salary column. So if I execute this command now, so you see this is the second maximum. So I can write select all the details from employee where salary is equal to 40,000. If I write this, then what will happen? I will get that particular employee detail who has a salary 40,000, and 40,000 result is returned by this particular command. So what I will do, I will replace this 40,000 with this particular command. So you see I have actually three subqueries. First this internal query will be solved, then this internal query will produce the result which will be used by this query, and the result which is used by this particular query will be used by the outer query, right? So I have written subquery inside a subquery, or two subqueries inside a query. If in the interview if you write like this, the next question which will come to you straight, the person will ask you, if I need to find fifth highest salary, do I need to write 5 times this max command? You have to create a query in such a way that it can solve all the problems like second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum, fifth maximum, because one cannot write multiple subqueries like this. If you need to find out the fifth highest, you will not write select max salary, select max salary, select maximum salary 5 times. So I will now explain you the alternative with which you can handle this situation. So let me first copy this and paste it here. So I am saying select star from employee details. Let's sort this data. So I am writing order by salary in descending order. So when I do that, So you see my whole data is sorted based on the salary. So 50,000 is coming on the top, and 40,000 is coming on the second place, then 34,000 is coming on the third place. So let's suppose I'm interested in third highest. So what I will do, I will put top three. And now if I execute this command, so you see I only got these three values. Now you treat this like a table. Forget that this is a query. Consider that this is a table. Let's say this is a table T. Now if I want to find out 34,000, which is this, what command will you write? Means it is a minimum salary in this table. What command will you write? You will write select minimum salary from T. So if you write select minimum salary from T, you will get it. This command, I will put it in a bracket and I will label this command as T. So this result set, I have labeled it as T or a table. And now I am writing select minimum salary from T. From T, but from T I will not write T here, it is T. So if I execute this command now, so you see I got 34,000. So if you need to find out the fourth maximum, so what you will do, you need to put 4 here. So it will give you 4 records, and the bottom one is the fourth maximum. So you get the minimum of it. If suppose I write now select star from T, because I am interested in the not only 30,000, I am interested in the complete detail of the record, like 30,000, the name of the person, gender of the person, and all these stuff. So I'm doing an order by clause, and I'm saying order it by T dot salary in the ascending order. So if I do that, so what will happen? So you see, first I sorted the data in the descending order and got the 4 records in the descending order, and I label this table as T. Then I again selected the data from T and I sorted the data in the ascending order based on salary. So what will happen? 30,000 will become record number 1, then 34,000 will become record number 2, this will become record number 3, and this will become record number 4. Because I'm interested in record number 1, so I will just write select top 1 star from this. So if I execute this command, so you see I got the fourth maximum salary. There are many ways to solve the query. The other way will be like this. If suppose I write this command and I can do minimum salary here. So it will give me the minimum salary, which is 30,000. And you can again write select star from table, which is employee details, where salary is equal to 30,000. So like this. So if I execute it now, but you see I find this will be faster. The reason is, first it will sort the employee detail data and get the 4 records, right? Sorting 4 records in the ascending order will not take much time, and I got the 1. But here what I am doing, I am sorting the data. Okay, I am getting the minimum 30,000. Then I am again searching 30,000 in the whole command on the select table. And if suppose salary column is not indexed, there is no proper indexing on the salary column, this command will work very slow. So that style is better.